Hi guys, this was a rainy day. It was rainy, it rained so heavily in this part of Africa. It was indeed a rainy day, a rainy Tuesday. It rained from the morning until the evening. It rained so heavily it rained. Did it rain in your location? Where else did it rain apart from here, apart from this particular location? Did it rain in your location? Because it rained so heavily. I just had to capture the environment and the rain. People running under the rain. It rained cat and dog. Wow. Wow, it was so heavy. All right. To have a good day. Bye.